What's up guys? Welcome back to Star Health's YouTube channel. I am Nawaz, a sports scientist and your go-to guy for all things fitness. Today, we are talking about something that could literally change your life, Zone 2 training. If you are looking to burn fat, boost your endurance and basically hack your health, then stick around. Because by the end of this video, you will know why Zone 2 is the king of all 5 training zones. Sounds confusing? Don't worry, I will explain the concept of zone-based training and why it can be a game changer in fitness world. Think of these as the gears in a car. Each one has its unique role and knowing when to shift gears can make all the difference in your fitness journey. Zone 1. This zone means working out in 50 to 60% of your maximum heart rate. This is like idling your car in neutral. It's perfect for recovery, warm-ups and cool-downs. You're moving, but you are not really going anywhere fast. Great for rest days or when you are easing back into fitness. Zone 2. The star of our show. This zone means working out in 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. This is your cruising gear. You're burning fat efficiently, building endurance and staying in a sustainable effort zone. It is the sweet spot for those long, steady sessions that make you feel like you could keep going forever. Zone 3. This zone means working out in 70 to 80% of your max heart rate. This is your typical cardio workout. You are burning more glycogen than fat and it's great for building stamina. Think of it as driving through city traffic. Stop and go with a bit of more effort required. Zone 4. The pedal to the metal. 80 to 90% of your maximum heart rate. This is where you are really pushing yourself. It's great for building power and speed, but definitely not sustainable for long stretches. This is your high intensity interval training zone where you are sprinting and not jogging. Zone 5. This is your all-out effort zone. 90 to 100% of your maximum heart rate. This is your red line where your body is using every bit of glycogen it can find. Think of it as a drag race. You are giving everything you have got, but you can only maintain it for a very short time. Don't get me wrong, every zone has its place in your training plan, but zone 2 is where you build your base. It's the zone where endurance athletes spend most of their time and for good reason. It's low impact for the joints, so the chances of injuries are low. High rewards and benefits just keep stacking up. So, what exactly is zone 2 training? Zone 2, as said earlier, operates around 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. It is where your body is working hard enough to burn fat as its primary fuel source, but not so hard that you are gasping for air. It's the perfect balance where endurance is built, fat is burned, and your overall fitness improves. And here's where it gets really interesting. This is also the zone where your body becomes a fat burning machine. You see, when you are in zone 2, your body is primarily using aerobic energy system. This means it's relying on the oxygen to convert fat into energy, which is why it is so effective for long-term fat loss. You're not tapping into those quick glycogen-based energy reserves like you would in higher zones. Instead, you are in it for a long haul, burning through fat stores like furnace in winter. And who wouldn't want that, right? Alright, let's talk benefits. Because zone 2 training is a gold mine of goodness. First up, fat burning. When you are in zone 2, your body is primarily using fat as a fuel. Your body has plenty of oxygen available to convert fat into energy. The result, you are not just burning calories, you are burning fat. But wait, there's more. Zone 2 isn't just about your body. It's also amazing for your brain. Studies have showed that steady state aerobic exercises like what you do in zone 2 can significantly improve mood, reduce anxiety and boost cognitive function. It's like a workout for your brain, keeping it sharp, focused and stress-free. And let's not forget about our heart. Zone 2 training is excellent for cardiovascular health. It strengthens your heart muscles, improves circulation and can even lower your resting heart rate over time. It's like giving your heart a tune-up, making it more efficient and resilient. Oh, and here's a little known fact. Zone 2 training can also boost your mitochondrial density. You all must have studied that mitochondria are the powerhouses of cells, producing energy that keeps you going. More mitochondria means more energy and better endurance. It's like upgrading your body's battery life so you can keep on going and going. Now you must be wondering, how does one calculate their maximum heart rate and how do they monitor it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. So here I have taken example of myself. My name is Nawaz and I am 26 years old. The standard formula to calculate maximum heart rate is 220 minus your age. In my case, it's 26. So it becomes 220 minus 26, which comes out to be 194 beats per minute. And as discussed earlier, we know that zone 2 training means staying between 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. So 60% of 194 becomes 116 and 70% of 194 becomes 135. So my zone 2 would be 116 to 135 beats per minute. Now to monitor your heart rate, you can use one of these bands which gives you real-time data on your heart rate. Alright, we have covered a lot today. What zone 2 is, how it works and the science behind it. But here's the thing, it's all just information until you put it into action. So my challenge to you is this: start incorporating zone 2 training into your routine. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's a place for zone 2 in your program. And remember, fitness is a journey, not a sprint. So take your time, stay consistent, and more importantly, enjoy the process. Your body will thank you for it. And that's a wrap, guys. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to Star Health channel and share this with your friends. And don't forget, fitness is more than just a workout, it's a lifestyle. So stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep grinding and keep smiling.